walking with the ghost.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to give you guys a little update on what's been going on since I haven't been posting about our home or anything. We are making a little garden. Alright, so this is what we got. We got some green bell peppers. Here, give that to Padre.
I want to play in it.
Okay, green bell peppers, jalapenos. We have yellow bell peppers. Some yellow bell peppers here. And some tomatoes, which I'm going to plant in a separate pot. And some parsley, Italian parsley. And we have some cucumbers. And also we have some zucchini and basil and cilantro. So we made a little spot right here where we're gonna be planting all of this. We have it next to our gandules and our pigeon peas and our lemon tree. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, don't bite me, weirdo. Oosh. Yeah, I would think it hurts them, right, Leo?
You gotta plant. Push it in like this, all the way in.
These guys. I just like going to do. I don't want to hurt these plants.
No.
So you got it?
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, my little flower. You can... It's tilted though.
Let me take this out.
Alright, what's next? Some zucchini.
Zucchini. I actually heard of zucchini.
Here, you got it?
I actually heard a movie that there was like this bad guy that was named Zucchini.
Really?
Yeah. And he worked for like a bad guy. He's actually named Zucchini.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, he probably is a big boy.
They look so nice.
Oh, mommy. Here,
Put it next to the stuff. And get the, oh, there's the cucumbers. Yay!
Came home for you, cut my hair in the dress that
looks so cute. We're gonna need like 4 of those.
You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, won't you wait for me? Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
If you guys want to know what we just did is we had these logs in our barn. We took those and added these to the bottom as well as this one, and then we added these bricks from all over our farm that we have found, you know, so that's how we just made a little one, just to kind of keep it away from the fence, except our pigeon piece that we also planted on this edge as well. That's it. That was it for the little garden we made, just with things we had around our farm. Pretty cool. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys come back for more. That was it. Just a little bit of our garden that we just planted. We used to have it over there by the rabbits, but it started getting too crowded because we had the rabbit hutches and everything that we had to make, so we had to relocate. So this year we just started here. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Remember to always be yourself and stay true to yourself. I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye guys, see ya.